Here is the forecast for Boulder and the western Denver suburbs. Today, severe thunder. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Elbert County, western Lincoln County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Simula, or 24 miles southwest of Lyman, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Locations impacted include Simula and Matheson. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail.